Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering if you can start digital marketing on your own? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. You want to stick around to the very end of this video because I have some exciting gifts for you, especially if you're interested in digital marketing. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of them. Because back in October 2019, I was overworked and underpaid. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time and living from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you are wondering if you can start digital marketing on your own, the answer is yes, of course you can. You can do anything on your own, right? But why would you? Why would you for instance, go onto YouTube and watch video after video trying to learn how to do digital marketing? What you really want to do is you want to be able to follow a proven step-by-step program that's going to teach you how to market online. Okay, it has to be proven because there's so many programs out there that are actually not proven to work. All right, so you need to make sure that the founder of your program has actually got the results that they're teaching you. So I have a program which a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million in just 17 months. In fact, by year 2, she actually earned $2 million. And now she's on a mission to help make 1,000 members of our community, help them earn 6 figures. So far, she's helped make over 14 South African rands millionaires and over 40 6-figure earners around the world. Okay, so I am excited because I'm actually learning high income skills. And what I love about this program, absolutely love, is that even though it was a one-time payment, meaning there's no monthly payments, I actually get weekly ongoing live coaching and mentorship sessions from 6 and 7-figure earners who actually use this blueprint to earn 6 and 7 figures. Okay, so in your journey to learning digital marketing, you don't have to do it on your own. Follow a proven step-by-step blueprint, right, which has helped the founder earn millions and helped countless of other members earn 6 and 7-figure earners. Now, when you are on this journey to learning digital marketing, make sure that the program that you choose, first is proven, right? The second is you don't want to get access to a program that you get the login details, maybe you download the information, and then good luck. It's up to you to actually go through that information and use it, because human beings, I was just listening to Earl Nightingale, we're programmed for failure, right? We're not programmed to succeed. Our mind is programmed to keep us safe, and keeping us safe keeps us doing the same thing over and over again. So if you get access to the best program that's out there, but you just given it and said good luck, there you go, most of you won't actually use it. So type, if you can relate to this, let me know in the comments. Say yes, I've been there, done that. I've bought program after program and never actually got to apply what I learned from the program, or never even got to finish the program, right? So you want to make sure that you join an interactive program. What I mean by that, you should have weekly ongoing sessions, training sessions, where you can stay up to date with the methods that are working, but also where you can ask questions and get to actually get any help that you need, right? And lastly, apart from it being proven, being interactive, it's not dead, it's a living, breathing program. You need to be able to have access to a community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are using the program to change their lives, okay? Because in the beginning, if depending on where you are, you could be struggling. But if you surround yourself with a community that's showing you how the system is working for them, you can actually stick to it. And if you do certain things in a certain way, especially if you're following a proven blueprint, eventually you will start to see the results. So would you like to actually see the community that I'm referring to and see introduce you to the interactiveness of this program? Or the answer to that is yes. I forget this is actually not live, right? This is recorded. So I'll say yes. You said yes, didn't you, right? You want to see a program that covers all that. So let me go ahead and share my screen. This takes a bit of time to actually change to full screen because we don't want to see me, we want to see this. Okay, so this is the live interactive program here. This is the program that we have. I have access to. That's absolutely changing my life, right? But you can see here with this program, you get access to a browser, you can access it on the internet, but you can also get an app on your phone, okay, which is handy. It means you can learn and earn on the go. And the same applies to this. This is a bonus site where you get access to the live interactive coaching. And let me actually walk you through here. So this bonus here is, so if I go here first, we have 6 different programs that you can get in where you fit in. So I went all in. This is the one I have. So this is the program that you can get access to on the go and learn, right? But you also want to be able to get live interactive coaching and mentorship. So here we have a 90-day profit push where our 6-figure mentor sends us a video every single day, giving us action steps to do on that day. You can see day 31, we're a third of our way there. She talks about negotiables, right? This is something that I've had to learn and to apply, having a non-negotiable. So do you, watching this video, do you have non-negotiables? Do you have things that you need to do every single day that are going to help you achieve your goals or dreams, right? So you could actually get live those videos every single day. And this is where our mentoring every single week, we get mentored, and all the mentoring is from 6- and 7-figure earners who've used the system to earn 6 and 7 figures. And this is where you can get access to the replays when you jump in, and so on. There's mindset training. There's a content vault where you can download content onto your device and upload onto your social media training. We have some 6-figure earners that have earned 6 figures in 6 months, and this is where you get access to that. So this is a bonus site, right? When you actually join, you get access to this site, and you also get access to this site. So both of these are apps on your phone. Now, we have over 45,000 members of our community. These are all paid members. And then the calendar is where we get live interactive coaching and mentorship. So you can see Friday here, we have a free webinar that just happened last 1 a.m. Dublin time, right? This is all in your time zone. And then we have a monthly meetup that's weekly success. We have an onboarding call, like if you're new, that's absolutely powerful. And then Black Friday special that's being announced later today, okay? So very, very powerful. You can see the calendar here. Every single week we have live coaching and mentorship, okay? So finally, just to quickly finish up, you want to have a proven system, okay? And here, I'm just going to show you a few testimonials. Stephanie, 5 days ago, she shared how she earned $1,800 in 24 hours. And she says, if you're struggling to get sales, you need to make micro tweaks to your messaging and your content, right? So she's giving advice. And you can see here 130 comments, 163 likes. Give it a like there as well. Suzanne, 9 hours ago, celebrating $16,200 in the first month. Today is the end of my first 30 days I've been marketing. I did this 100% off Facebook, okay? My goal was 10,000 for the month of November, and here we are. She's halfway through, and she's achieved more than 50% more than her goal. So, so on and so forth. That's Suzanne again, yeah, for 6 days ago, 4,500 today, and $9,000 in sales. So you can see how she's tracking everything. Tanya at 42 minutes ago, I almost had a sell 3 weeks ago, but I missed it. And I'm not sure she explains that, and so on and so forth, right? $100 ding. William, 22 hours. Congratulations to the oldies. Still running on the 90-day sprint, and after dinner, $100 ding, okay? So we have a proven step-by-step system that everybody can use to actually learn how to do digital marketing. So you ask, can I start digital marketing on my own? So the answer is yes, you can, but why would you, right? You want to be able to surround yourself with people who are going where you're going and who are going to help you in whatever way that they can to get there faster, okay? So what I want to do is I want to invite you to go ahead and click the link in the description to actually claim your 10K in 30 days guide. I want to give you that gift, and the guide will will show you exactly how our blueprint, how our system works. And I also want to give you access to our done for you, 100% done for you automated marketing system that you can use to activate up to 7 income streams, right? So click the link in the description. I will deliver these gifts via email. Respond to my email when you receive them, and let's have a conversation. I'm here to answer any questions that you might have. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever.